How to turn on and allow activity notifications on Reddit. So in today's video, guys, I will teach you the easiest way how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first, you should open your Reddit. After this, it will open directly on your homepage as you can see right now. So what you should do, just come here on your profile icon. Right now, come to the last button, settings, and you will come to account settings. And right now you will go to manage notification. So right here you will find like many kind of notifications. For us, we wanna allow activity notifications. If you found it, for example, like this, just allow it, allow everything here in this list. So that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for I hope this video is useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you next time.